Today, I'm doing a 24-hour gentle reset to support my MCAs. No pressure, just small choices that help my body feel safer. I live with MCAs, which means my body reacts to things most people never think about. So today, I'm doing a realistic reset, one that supports my nervous system and keeps my triggers low. I start by clearing the air and removing anything that might trigger symptoms. Fresh air, soft lighting, and a quick tidy make a huge difference. Food is one of my biggest challenges with MCAS. Today, I'm making something simple, predictable, and low risk for my body. MCAS flares love stress, so part of this reset is giving my nervous system a break. A slow walk and a quiet moment always help. I'm keeping my week simple. 3 priorities: safe meals, 1 gentle adventure, and space for rest. Did I fix my MCAs in 24 hours? No, but I feel calmer, clearer, and more in control, and that's a win. If you want more gentle MCAs resets, ingredient guides, or cozy lifestyle videos, subscribe. I'd love to have you here.